What's going on, guys? Current Telebyte here. Just wanted to explain a little bit about the video that you're about to watch. This is a video that I recorded back in November of last year, and I just never got around to actually editing it and uploading it. But this story has actually become a lot cooler now as I'm older. The person that I'm talking about who actually gave me this phone to fix up is one of my good friends and co-workers that I work with at Chick-fil-A now. And it just so happened to be that, like, I went in there for a day of orientation, and he was like, "You're Isaac, I gave you that phone." And it's like, oh my gosh, you did. So here's that video I'm gonna put up now, you know, just why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video like normal. Please ignore my young squeaky voice as I've just been watching the footage back because that is not pretty. So yeah, without anything else to do, let's roll the intro and see how to replace a screen on an iPhone 5S. Alright? Oh, and by the way, this iPhone 5S, it still works. I still have it in the collection. Thank you again.
Hey guys, it's Isaac Riffle, your favorite iGuy here. Welcome back to another video. You guys haven't seen me in this room for a while. We are back in the studio. Back in the studio today. Very special video. Well, it's special, I would say. Alright. I've gotten this guy right here. This is an Apple iPhone 5S for US Cellular. Before I get into the video, a really nice person that I met was getting rid of this, and he knew that I liked Apple products, so he actually gave this to me to fix up and to add to my collection. So this is an iPhone 5S again for US Cellular. It is in pretty bad condition, but considering how old it is, it's really kind of expected. But you can see here this portion of the screen about right here where all my greasy fingerprints are, that is where the LCD is bad. And you can also see right here the LCD is like disconnecting from the frame. So for a $12 investment, I purchased this. This is just an iPhone 5S display assembly replacement. I will link this below in the description field. It didn't come with any tools, so I do have to supply my own tools, which, you know, all you should need is just a pentalobe screwdriver, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong. And there are, if you guys can't see, those screws right there on either side of the lightning port. Those are called pentalobe screws. So you need a pentalobe screwdriver. This is Apple's kind of proprietary screw type because they don't want people getting inside of their phones. And this is also, while I'm doing this, tell you guys, the iPhone 5 series is one of the easiest types of iPhone to disassemble and do replacements on, just because of the way Apple designed them. That's not really supposed to happen, but yeah, so now we are inside of the phone here. So I was wrong. It is more than 2 pentalobe screws. We need to disconnect these 4 very small Phillips screws here, like these 4 screws right here. Okay, so I got unlucky here and my screws fell into the phone. So I'm just gonna try to get them all out there. But yeah, so you can see the screen even fell out on its own here. So this is our screen. We need to salvage a few parts from this old one, like our Touch ID home button, which was apparently loose because the screws just popped out of it. These are our screws for the little plate here. So I do not know where my Touch ID screw went, which is a big issue. Hopefully I can find it. Wish me luck, guys. But in order to remove that, we just, wrong screwdriver. Disconnect this connector here by unscrewing it. And hopefully, oh, no, my bad. You have to remove this plate on top of the Touch ID sensor. I hope I did not just ruin my Touch ID on this phone. We might have, but it will be okay either way. Let me see if I can get the button out of here. Alright, so I've got our Touch ID button removed here. And we also just need to remove our camera and loudspeaker from up here, which is right here. So we need to go ahead and also just, it's pretty straightforward, just got to remove 2 screws and it will pop right on out. And that is a sensor for the camera. The proximity sensors. Here is the actual camera, I hope. I really do hope. Yeah. So this is our camera setup here. And this, we're done with this now. Don't need it. It's gone. Alright? So, that was a horrible idea. I just got glass everywhere for that one shot. Alright, anyways. Okay. Alright, so, first thing, so we're going to install our button and camera, which I think I might have just really screwed things up. Oh no, there's that screw. Never mind. Okay, so I really, to be honest with you, don't see how the camera goes on this, so we're just going to make sure the screen works first, and I'm going to pull this back, and that should be the screen surface. Yeah, okay. Yep, looks exactly like this one. So, I'm going to put this back onto the body. And the connectors clip down like this. So now, just going to partially connect the screen back on. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. I'm going to plug it in. And there we go. So the screen is working. The only issue is I couldn't get that camera sensor back on, but I will maybe make a later video about that. I really just want to be able to test this thing and make sure it works first before I go, making more adjustments and such. So I don't even use the front camera anyways on my phones, so, well, very often, unless I'm like FaceTiming, and I doubt that's something I'll do on this phone. Anyways, sorry, I feel like I'm rambling, guys. Yeah, oh, my battery's not on, my bad. There we go. Oh, perfect, the home button doesn't work either. Okay, so I obviously have a few things to fix with this, especially since the home button's not working. I also wanted to just see if I could clean up the bottom or the back quite a bit here. Alright, so the phone is working. Look at that. We actually did it. The home button isn't working, and obviously that front camera just isn't there. So I'll have to fix that on a later time. I need to get assistive touch going on this right now. The funny thing is, Touch ID works fine, but it's just the home button doesn't. So I can go here, General, Accessibility, and Assistive Touch, and turn this on. Single tap, Home, put it here, and there we go. So one extra thing they did include within the package is a screen protector, so might as well go and put that on. Always clean the surface of the phone first. Got to get our... I think that looks clean. It looks clean to me, and then when I see it through the viewfinder, it looks dirty, so... Alright, put that there. Oh, whoops. Okay. So this is the screen protector. I don't know why it's blue. I think there's probably just a film on it, so... Oh, I'm horrible at these things, guys, honestly. I thought that the other part was actually the screen protector. So then I sat this down and I'm already getting crap under it. I'm failing. That didn't turn out too well. I will probably just remove this. But yeah, there we go. So working iPhone 5S for free. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.